Hello and welcome to my channel Dhara Craft Creation. Today I will share a video tutorial on crystal terrarium using plastic seeds. If you not subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the more updates. So I just draw a line of 5.5 centimeter and mark it with the A and B end like this. Now with the help of protector, I don't have a separate protector, that's why I use this one. So this one is also a protector. I just mark a 108 degree yani ki 108 degree and just you can say draw a line of 5.5 centimeter again on that angle, right, on a 108 angle. Now again the same thing I doing and just 108 and just draw a 5.5 centimeter line. So basically I made a pentagon, right? Again same thing, again 108 degree. I just mark it out and draw a 5.5 centimeter line like this. And its end on the A end, right? Like this. Okay, now cut it out. We can use this one as a stencil, right? And now I just draw that upper part. For that I used this pentagon like this and draw a 2 cross line like this. Okay, and this one is also a 5.5 centimeter. Okay, 5.5, right? Now from the center part I draw a 17 centimeter 17 centimeter line, straight line, and this one is a 14.5 approximately. If you are correct, then automatically this measurement is 14.5 centimeter. Okay, 17 centimeter and 14.5, right, like this. Now I just cut this out. Our stencils are ready, sorry. And now I use these OHP sheets, right? So I use that stencils and draw same on the OHP sheets like this. Okay, same way, upper part, so we need a six piece of this pentagon, means first one pentagon and the 4 piece of this long pentagon, right? So now it's ready. Now with the help of tacky tape, which is a double-sided tape, don't use a tissue tape because it's easily get out from your plastic sheets. So use this tacky tape like this. This one is a 6 mm tacky tape, right? Now fold it like this. Okay, now remove the upper film. Okay, now I take this reactive foil which is from Dress My Craft. You can easily find it out like at there. Okay, and what am I doing? I'm just stick this it like this and just apply a good pressure all over and just remove. See how cool. Do it on same side and all the pentagons like this. Okay, I made here one mistake. I just show you a 5 pentagon, but you need a 6 pentagon, right? As I told you, 1 pentagon at the right side of the end, but it's okay, I will show you in the video further. So with the help of sellotape, I just stick all the parts. Use the transparent sellotape, right? Like this. Okay. And I apply this sellotape at the inside part. You can say that inside part I apply this sellotape. Okay. Now time for arranging all the parts, or you can say that now time for the what you can say that assembling all the pentagons, right? So like this, make sure you just stick sellotape at that time your angles are correct. As I told you, I forgot one pentagon at the right side end, so it's okay. Now I just assemble this one. Okay. Yeah, our terrarium is ready, and I use this LED light and put this inside this terrarium. So yeah, it looks so cool in the Diwali and your festival season. So try this and share it with us. Thank you for the watching. Keep supporting, keep crafting. Bye bye.